Okay, the purpose of today's video is to do a side-by-side comparison of the Antigravity A1, the Avata 360, the Avata 2, and the Mini Pro 4. I want to fly them all in the same way, at the same route, and put the video of each drone on a 4-panel screen so you can see the video. I also put a microphone up away from me so you get we'll fly the drone right past the microphone, get an idea of how loud it is. And we're going to just fly each one battery. We're going to start here and go up around the ridge to that knob, which is 5,000 feet away. I measured that with the original Neo, and then we'll fly back over the other side of the road and come back and land. So we'll fly the same route with all the drones. I do want to maybe get in that hole up there a little bit and see if you could hear the props when it's in that hole, but I'm going to be careful because if it crashes, it's lost. There's no way I can get across the river to get it, so I have to be careful with that. But I'm going to get set up here and then we're going to go. Okay, this is drone number 1. This is the Antigravity A1. Go in FPV mode. Start the video. Adjust the goggles. Okay, first thing is going to be a sound check.
Home point updated.
Now we're going to go with the Avata 2. His name is the Dude, short for Dude Fellow. Dude Fellow is this drone. Make sure the goggles are looking good. It's got the home point, it's got satellites. I think he's louder than the Antigravity, but gear on. I'm going to start a video recording as well. At a false start. Okay, 24 satellites and 99 on the battery. Take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
Faster than the Avata did, so maybe we won't burn all the battery. We're down to 95 already though. It's dropping pretty fast. This is a brand new drone. I don't think I'm going to go in that hole. I haven't got any reaction from that hole yet. Plus it'll save a little bit of battery on this. This one is set to maximum legal limit, so I can go up and it'll stop when I get to the level I want, which is right there. We'll watch for the birds. If the birds come, we should be able to track them in the with the camera and see how close they actually come to the drone. We could do that with the anti-gravity too. I'm pretty happy with this drone. I feel like it does kind of rip like the Avata, which is what I really hoped for. This is at more than 400 feet now, which is interesting because I think it's only set for like 394. But just now it's like 400 feet. Maybe the wind is helping with that. Doesn't feel very windy. We're at 4,000 feet. It's such a beautiful thing to see in my goggles, though. I'm terribly happy with the view from my goggles. You can see we do have a home point showing up. We'll try to stay on, not to go behind the ridge. We are losing some signal here. I'm at maximum altitude. I just picked it back up. I think I might go a little low here, just because I think the footage a little lower will be spectacular. This one does have 360 obstacle avoidance, which the Avata 2 does not have. Yeah, I can see the stitching line pretty good in this flight. It feels like I have head tracking on because I am able to look around. I'm turning my head and like head tracking's on. I didn't turn it on, it just maybe came on automatically. But it's not making me be unhappy. Let's see if it stays on when we have I can hear it. This is probably the louder drone, the loudest of points, so. Let's see how it does returning to home. And now head tracking is not working. So I move my head and nothing's happening. It's going kind of slow, probably because of wind, I don't know. Now it's up to 22 miles an hour. We're at 57% battery, so we had more battery than all that stuff I said about battery life, forget I said it. I was wrong. So far it's coming straight home. The 3X camera just beeped, so it turned off and turned back on. It's a beautiful place though. It's a spectacular thing to see out your goggles. The Colorado River and Highway 128 canyons, just spectacular. 4-hour drive to get here today. I'm a little bit fatigued, but I want to go one more place today and fly. This one on the other side of Moab from where we're at now, so hopefully I can fly to a waterfall. It kind of doesn't come directly. You can hear it struggling in the wind a little bit. It's going to hit my camera. Yeah, find the mat. It's not the mat. Move towards the mat. And that is flailed in the wind a little bit. Yeah, it's really fighting this wind, and the wind isn't that bad. Doggone it. Okay. Shout out to Johnny Drone Flyer for giving me this shirt.